So today we have a Vivaro. If your Vivaro is not starting, you need to watch this. We have no forecodes on the engine, but I will show you why it's not starting. So this is the engine. Let's have a look if we can prime and start this engine. Let's see. Okay, so I prime the fuel system and we're gonna crank again, see if it's gonna start or not, monitoring the live data. Slightly better, but still too small. We're gonna leave it and we try again. So what I done, I put a bit of easy start to see if we can start and run this engine. But still we don't have enough fuel pressure. So I will strip to see if we have too much return on the injectors or the pump is not making enough pressure, and I will show you how to do that. Crank now. Okay, that's fine. No, that's it. So no diesel is coming back. So yes, this is what I missed on the first pass, and then I was chasing wrong the fuel pressure. The fuel pressure was because we didn't have the key read into the vehicle. Now it's starting because I play with the antenna. I disconnected and connected back, and for some reason the antenna started to work again. So yeah, it's normal to be wrong, and sometimes you're gonna be wrong if you work on this industry. So yeah, it was my mistake. We didn't cause nothing, no parts, no nothing. It's just maybe 10 minutes more diagnostic, but at least we found the right problem.